Hello, my dear students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well. So, today we are going to do simple past tense. Earlier, we have done simple present tense. I hope that is clear to you and you are doing it well. Now, we are moving forward to simple past tense. Simple past tense होता क्या है and हम कब यूज़ करते हैं उसको? First of all, in simpler words, simple past tense जो काम हो चुका past में हो चुका उसको उसके लिए हम simple past tense यूज़ करेंगे. Simple present tense हम किसके लिए यूज़ करते थे? जो काम आप हर रोज़ करते हैं. So, for the general truth or for the universal truths, I hope you remember that. So, if you didn't watch that video yet, go and firstly do simple present tense, then come to this. So, simple past tense हम तब use करते हैं when we are talking about an action, event or situation that started and finished in the past. जो past में शुरू हुई थी और past में खत्म होगी, जो पहले हो चुका काम, उसके लिए हम simple past tense use करेंगे. So, she finished her homework yesterday. So from yesterday we come to know कि उसने अपना homework कल complete कर लिया. So that's why we are using here finished word, finished. So this is simple past tense. This sentence is in simple past tense. He bought a new bag. उसने एक बैग खरीदा. उसने एक नया बैग खरीदा. तो उसने खरीद चुका वो. Then we will write bought here. So this is about simple past tense. Now in simple present tense we generally use here first form of verb I play cricket like this. If the sentence is like this, I play cricket, this is in simple present tense. But if you change it into I played cricket yesterday, this becomes simple past tense. So I will explain you the rule of simple past tense also in detail. But first of all, it's important to know कि हमने simple past tense कहाँ पे use करना है, कब कब use करना है. So then that we are going to do in detail. Now, so when do we use simple past tense? For an action completed in the past. जो action past में complete हो चुका, for that. So for an action completed in the past, like they won the match, वो match जीत चुके, that is already done in the past. The action is completed in the past. So उसके लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Simple past tense. For an action that happened at a definite time in the past. Now कोई भी action past में हुआ है, लेकिन उसके साथ time दिया हुआ है. So it's very important point in simple past tense. If time is given with any sentence कि कब हुआ कोई भी काम past में, तो आप simple past tense use करोगे. For example, I met him yesterday. Now we come to know कि yesterday कब मिला वो? कल मिला. Yesterday. So we are using here simple past tense. Now next point is when we use simple past tense, that is for a series of completed actions that happened one after another. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. जैसे कि आप स्टोरीज पढ़ते हो या फिर आप अपने रूटीन के बारे में बताते हो. सो इन दैट जनरली वी यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. लाइक in this example I gave that I woke up, brushed my teeth, had breakfast and went to school. So this is a series of situations, we can say actions that are done one after another. That's why we are using here simple past tense. So कोई भी काम एक काम के बाद दूसरा काम हुआ हो, कोई भी सीरीज में काम हुआ हो, उसके लिए आप simple past tense यूज करोगे. या फिर जैसे कि हम स्टोरी सुनते हैं, like once upon a time there was a crow, it was thirsty. So we will write the full story in simple past tense. That because every action is done in the sequence. That's why whatever actions are done in the sequence, we always use simple past tense for that. Now next is for past habits. Now जो हैबिट आपको पहले पुरानी थी लेकिन अब नहीं है, जो हैबिट आपको अब है उसके लिए तो हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करते हैं. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू फॉर द हैबिचुअल एक्शंस, लाइक आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे और आई ड्रिंक कॉफी एवरी डे. सो जो काम आप हर रोज करते हो, जिसको काम को करने की हैबिट है, फॉर दैट यू विल यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. बट जिस काम को आपको पहले हैबिट थी अब नहीं है, for that you will use simple past tense. For example, I played outside every evening when I was young. कि जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं इवनिंग में हर रोज बाहर खेलने जाता था. I played outside. तो पहले जाते थे अब नहीं जाते. That's why we are using here simple past tense. Now for historical events. लाइक जो भी आप हिस्टोरिकल हिस्ट्री में जो भी इवेंट्स हुए हैं, जैसे कि इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस कब मिली, गांधी जी का बर्थ कब हुआ. सो वट एवर यू रीड इन एसएसटी और हिस्ट्री और इन EVS of yours. So we always write that in simple past tense. All the historical events. India became independent in 1947. So in this way, we will use simple past tense in different kinds of sentences. Now come to the rule how you can use simple past tense in different sentences. You must aware about the rule. So the rule of simple past tense is subject plus V2 verb second form plus object. Now it's very simple rule and it's very interesting thing to know that जो second form of verb है, like what is second form of verb? First of all, I wanted to tell you that like you generally write go. Go is the first form of verb, and after that the second form is went and third form is gone. So जो ये second form है went, that will be used in simple past tense. And interestingly, simple जो second form of verb है that is never used anywhere else. पूरी grammar में in English, full grammar, you will never use second form of verb anywhere else. Only in the simple past tense. So this went you will write, or any forms of verbs of a second form of verb you will use in simple past tense. Simple past tense. So this is an example. She went to school yesterday. She went. So we are using went here as a second form of verb. They went to. Now in simple present tense we have done the difference of singular subject and plural subject. So you have to change accordingly this verb. But in simple past tense चाहे subject singular हो चाहे subject plural हो आप second form of verb ही use करोगे. आपको कोई s और es नहीं लगाना. There should be no other change in that. It will remain same. So I hope this is clear till now. Now comes to how will you change that into negative. So in simple present tense we use do or does to change into negative. हमने do does use किया था, right? If you remember. So but in simple past tense, what is the second form of do? Do or does is a first form of verb. इनके second form होती है did. Did. So to make it negative, we have to add helping verb by ourselves. Like हमने simple present में helping verb use की थी do does. तो इसी तरीके से हमें did इसमें did add करना पड़ेगा to add a helping verb. Not को लगाने के लिए हमें एक helping verb चाहिए जो कि हम did use करेंगे. So how will you change this into negative? She did not. Now you have to change went into go. It's very important thing that you have to keep in mind कि जो आपने second form of use की थी लेकिन हमने do को did बना के use कर लिया यहाँ पे. We have already changed do into did. So हम दो बार verbs को नहीं change करेंगे. So we have to use here base form of verb, first form of verb in here. So you will say she did not go to school yesterday. So you will write in this way. And for interrogative, you will bring did in the beginning. Did she go to school yesterday? Again, you will use go only. You will not say did she went to the school. That will be wrong, totally wrong. So did she go to school yesterday? And question mark is very important in interrogative sentences. So I hope this is clear till now, how to change simple past tense sentences into negative and interrogative. If you have any doubt, you can leave a question in the comment section. I will surely reply you. Now move to the next rule. That is when use simple past to talk about something someone possessed in the past. So जब जैसे कि हमने simple present tense में किया था कि अगर हम आपने बोलना है कि उसके पास 2 pens हैं, then you will say she has 2 pens. Okay, so for possession we generally use has and have, जो कि जिसके पास अब है when we are talking about present. But जब आपने past की बात करनी है कि उसके पास ये था, उसके पास एक doll थी, then you will use had. So again, what you have to keep in mind, has or have की second form होती है had. So that's why we will use had here for the possessions. Like she had a beautiful doll. अगर हम यहाँ पे had लिख रहे हैं, that means उसके पास अब नहीं है वो doll, वो पहले थी. This is in simple past tense. That means कि ये we are talking about the possession that was in the past. She had a beautiful doll. अगर यहाँ पे हम लिख दे she has a beautiful doll, that means उसके पास अभी है. But had का मतलब है past tense कि पहले थी अब नहीं है. And now how will you change this type of sentence into negative? So you will not simply say she had not a beautiful. That will be completely wrong. You will simply not put not with that. So हम जैसे कि हम simple past tense में did use करते हैं, again you have to write did in this. You will say she did not. Now I told you in simple present tense कि कोई भी हम helping verb पहले लगा दें, जैसे कि हमने do does लगाया था उसमें, तो हम has नहीं लिख सकते sentence में. So again here, so had This is in second form of verb. So we have already used did here. So you have to change it into have. It's important to bring verb into the base form of verb. It's very, very important. So she did not have a beautiful doll. You will not write she did not had a beautiful doll. It will be wrong. अगर आपने had ही use कर लिया यहाँ पे, आपको change करना पड़ेगा उसको have में. So this was the negative, and now the interrogative. You will bring did in the beginning. Did she have? Again, you have to change had into have when you're changing it into question. So, and after that, question mark. Have a beautiful doll. So, in this way, you will change simple past sentence of the possession sentences into negative and interrogative. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now, move to the next part, that is was were. So the sentences in which we use was were, that are also the part of simple past tense. So how we use that, like I was at home yesterday. कल मैं घर पे थी. I was at home. So was we are using for, we use was and were for simple past tense. So they were good friends. Again, I, with the singular subjects you will always use was, and with the plural subjects you will always use were. दो हम I को plural में add करते हैं हमेशा in present tense also, but here there is a there you have to keep in mind, was you will use I, you will use was with I, not were. Though I is a plural, but then also we always use was with I. So they were good friends. Here were will be used with plural subject. How will you change this into negative? Now when you will change was and were sentences into negative, you will not add did in that. You will simply write not in this. Like they were not good friends. Now for question, were they good friends? Like this, there is no need to add did in for changing it into negative and interrogative. I hope it is clear to all of you. The simple past tense in the simpler way I have explained you. So now let's discuss few of the sentences that I have changed into from simple present tense to simple past tense. So how can you recognize that whether the sentence is in simple present or simple past tense? Like here the sentences I play cricket every day. From first of all, every day we come to know जो काम हम हर रोज करते हैं, for that we use simple present tense and first form of verb is here, I play. Now to change it into simple past tense, what you will do, first of all, you have to use second form of verb here. Instead of play, we write played. I played cricket. Now you cannot write every day in simple past tense. वो तो present का part है. So जब हम काम हो चुका उसके लिए हम simple past tense use करते हैं. So you have to change every day into yesterday. It's very important whenever you do the conversion of sentences from simple present or from any other tense to simple past, you have to change this part also. Every day को हम yesterday बनाएंगे कि मैं कल खेला था. I played cricket yesterday. Now if the sentence is she has a pencil. Now this is in simple present tense, so we will change has into had. She had a pencil. Now he is a teacher. Is the part of simple present tense, so we will change it into he was a teacher, into was. So in this way, these are the simple present tense and these are the sentences based upon simple past tense. Now let's do some practice. Now see if it's clear to you or not. I wanted to see that. You can pause this video for a minute and start doing this exercise. Just write down the answers in your notebook. Then I'm going to discuss it with you. Then you can match your answers with me so that you must have the clarity that आपको ये सारा समझ आ गया, because this is based upon what we have done in this full class. Now she dashed to the market yesterday. We are talking about past. Yesterday is written, so what we will use here? We have to use second form of verb. So that is go की second form क्या होती है? Went. So one thing more, you have to learn properly forms of verb जो है, कई रेगुलर होती है फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब, कई इरेगुलर होती है. रेगुलर क्या होती है? जैसे कि प्ले को हम सिंपली ईडी लगा के सेकंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज कर देते हैं, प्लेड प्लेड. लेकिन कई इरेगुलर होते हैं, जैसे कि गो का हम गोड नहीं लिखते, दैट इज वेंट. सो गोड गलत हो जाएगा, go, went, gone. Like this, see, saw, seen. So there are so many forms of, there is a big list of forms of verb that you have to memorize to do tenses. It's very important. So we will always use second form of verb in simple past tense. They dashed football on Sunday. वो Sunday को football खेले थे. Now we are talking about again past. So what we'll write here? Play की second form, that is played. Played. I dashed tired yesterday. Now B. What is the meaning of B? I explained you in the previous videos all of verbs and in present tense also. B ko basically is categorized in is MR, was were, and do, does, did. So basically these are the forms of be. So आपने इनमें से according to the tense you can choose any from these. These are the forms of be. So I dash. अब हम yesterday की बात करें, कल की बात करें, तो आप be की कौन सी form use करोगे? From was were. So हम क्योंकि past की बात करें. Now you have to check the subject I. I के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Was. So you will write I was tired yesterday. In this way you will solve this. Now she dashed a beautiful doll when she was young. Now जब वो छोटी थी तब उसके पास beautiful doll थी, अब नहीं है. So we are talking about the past. We are talking about simple past. So you will write have की कौन कौन सी forms होती हैं? Has, have, had. So जब भी bracket में have दिया हो, that means you have three options: has, have, and had. So according to the tense, you can change, you can use from all these things. So we are talking about past, so we will pick had here. You will write had. I hope your all answers are correct. If all are correct, you can give yourself full marks and a big star from myself. Very good if your all answers are correct. So if you have any doubt till, like if you have done any mistake here, you can ask me if you have any doubt in the comment section. I will surely reply you. Now comes to the next part. This is also a practice. So what we will do in this, here's a sentence given: they played cricket. This is in simple past tense. I taught you already how to change sentences into negative and interrogative. So now you will change it by yourself, how this sentence into negative and interrogative. Just write that in the comment section. I will tell you whether your sentence is correct or not, you're changing it correct or not. So this is your homework. They played cricket. Just note it down. You have to write its negative and interrogative in the comment section. Now you have to change into simple past tense. So as I told you, this is very important, like what kind of questions you are getting in the exam. You must know how to attempt them. So in tenses you can get the fill up form. In the fill up form you have to choose the correct verbs, or you have to change a sentence into negative and interrogative, or you can have the sentence like conversion is there from the other tense. You have to change the sentence into another tense. Like here the sentence of which tense, can you tell me which tense is used in this sentence? She go to school every day. This is in, yes, tell me. Very good. It's simple present tense. Very good. So how will you come to know it's simple present tense? Go is the first form and every day is used here. This is simple present tense. Now when you have to change into simple past tense, we have to apply the rule of simple past tense. So what we will do, she, now go ka humne second form of verb use karna, that is went to school. Now instead of every day, what we will use, you have to change that into yesterday. So in this way, you can change the sentence into simple past tense. I hope simple past tense is clear to you now. We have done simple present tense, simple, and this was the second lesson of tenses, simple past tense in detail. So if you are still in doubt, you can ask me, and I hope you are now able to do any kind of exercise based upon simple present tense and simple past tense. Now meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.